my name is Akash. I am the student of IIIT-Kurnool. I am pursuing my master's over there. Today I am here to present my drone, the flight controller which I have developed. It is an in-house flight controller which we have developed in our college itself. This uses the components like ESP32 and a gyroscope. This is not a fancy flight controller which we see, and the basic usage of it is same, the most accurate like the flight controller, like the Pixar one, but the cost reduction is more on this. Okay, and we no need a telemetry remote like this. We can directly use it from the mobile. Okay, I will show you a demo.
So is this going to fly now?
No. It's just a bench test. We are not using the props. Yeah.
Show us the display also. We can see.
Yeah, I will see. This is the interface of the flight controller. The remote, which replaces the fancy remote, and here we can use it for the arming of the motors by the buttons here.
Okay.
We can control them. The throttle. Yeah. Apart from flight controllers, for the flight controller, we need to do the calibration and all sort of things using the laptop. But in my model, you can directly calibrate it using the phone here. Not only that, the PID control thing also we can do it in our mobile directly. And we have a display like the angle of drone, how the drone is rotating and all. It's all displayed here.
Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Ishwarya. I'm from Chennai Institute of Technology.
Hi, I am Vikram from Chennai Institute of Technology.
Okay, how did you collaborate for this project with the Kurnool?
So we are basically doing our internship at IIIT-Kurnool and under the guidance of Dr. K. Under his guidance, we have developed this project, and we also got the opportunity to present ourselves at this conference.
You want to talk about your project?
Yeah, sure. So our project is basically an air traffic monitoring project. So whenever a drone is turned on, its data, like its position data, its flight modes, loiter mode, or stabilize mode, everything will be displayed in a dashboard which we have made. So whenever a drone is turned on, all of its data will be shown in our interface with each name for different drones. With the help of this, we can monitor the air traffic. So normally for flights, we have apps like flight radar like that. But for drones, there are no apps, no such apps. So that is the reason why we choose this project and we're starting to work on it. And we also have a feature called authorization of drones. So whenever someone wants to turn on the drone, they have to get proper authorization from the authority, like the government official or the DGCA or some official authority. So when the authority gives permission to operate the drone, then only the person can be able to operate the drone. So these are all the features which we have infused in our project.
So do you have an incubation hub also in IIIT?
So these projects are under our mentor, Dr. K. Krishna's Prison Robotics startup. So under his startup, we are doing all of these projects. These are all some of the projects we done. There are many other drone-related projects as well.
You want to say something about yours?
Yeah, it is very immense pleasure to work with Dr. K. and we are proud to share this moment with you.
This is your work? This is your project?
Yeah.
What is it about? The same thing?
Same here. We both
have
worked
done
on
same.
it.
So what's your specialization in your course? What specialization are you
I
doing?
am in mechanical engineering branch.
Mechanical masters?
No, in bachelor.
Your
And the master's. And my specialization on drones.